What's up, guys? Today we're doing a front mount intercooler. So here's the parts and stuff that I got in my package, and there's a lot of things on the photos that you guys can't really tell if you guys really like it or not. So we're gonna be the guinea pigs, and we're gonna put this kit together on my R33. This right here, I believe, will go to the intercooler. It's got the big side. These right here, it comes with 2 clamps. This also go on the big side of the intercooler as well. Here you got your 4 clamps. I believe these are all the same size. These will all go to your other couplers and stuff around. Pretty easy, simple process. I don't know exactly what this pipe is here for, and that's what you guys are here to figure out, and then we're going to figure that out together. It also came with a lot of hardware and these little brackets. I might end up replacing those later on with stainless steel or something like that, a little bit more sturdy. Then we got these little vacuum hose here. And then we also have our piping here. We got 3 different pieces here, and we also have our front mount intercooler. So if you guys are wondering what all comes in this kit, it seems like we have everything here that we need to do. Online, it's kind of tricky because the way they got the photo set up. So we're here to address the situation so you guys can see that these eBay kits work. So let's go. Should you or should you not buy an eBay turbo kit? Let's talk about it. So on the scale of 1 to 10, how it is to install this thing, I would say it was at least a 5. I mean, it's pretty easy, but the problem is not knowing what you need to do. Now, you basically got to guesstimate where exactly to put your front mount intercooler, because if you do not, one side is going to be longer than the other side, one side is going to be shorter than the other side, you're going to have fitment issues, so you have to figure out exactly where the intercooler needs to go. In the kit, they only provided 4 bolts, 1 poo bolts, and I don't know how come that they did it this way. But it goes bolt, washer, then nut, then washer. It's weird how it's installed. I'm probably just going to get me some different nuts and bolts and make them a little shorter. And then here also I've grabbed a nut and bolt here for the bracket that goes forward. And on the bottom, I've used some self-tapping screws that go into the reinforcement bar down there. Or chassis, however you call it. Inside, I got a little hole cutter that I got from Lowe's. This is the size that I use, but you might want to get something a little bit smaller, but it is a perfect size for me. As you guys can see, I have plenty of room to work in there. And then the pipe comes up, connects here. The fitment is horrible. I'm not even going to use this. I'm going to tear this off. Over here, when you disconnect your boost controller here, or whatever that is, you're going to have this line here. What I'm going to have to do is go to Lowe's, get a little thing with the self-tap with a nipple on it. I'm going to self-tap in here, use some nylon tape, and then I'm going to use a nipple for this. I'm going to tap the nipple here. That's what I'm going to use that thing over there for. Sorry if the video quality is really lame. I'm just trying to hurry up and show you guys what I'm doing. This is what I'm going to use for the nipple. That's going to go onto the new nipple here. So you guys can either make it here or here. Now the way this is designed on the photos that they showed you on eBay, it comes all the way up and all the way to here. That's not the case. It actually cuts off here. It's so short, they actually gave you an extra piece. I don't understand why they did that. As you guys can see, it kind of clears here, luckily. Clears down there as well, so we're good. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt, and I'm trying to make this easy for you because I don't see nobody else trying it out, and I wanted to be the guinea pig for this project and see how it works. So as you guys can see, this right here comes straight out and has a little elbow that goes here, and then it comes out here and goes that way. As long as it doesn't hit anything, I'm fine with that. In the future, I'll probably get me a greddy or something like that, but for now, this is what we're using as an eBay turbo kit. The side was pretty easy and simple. Went straight into that side and all the way up, and I reused the clamp that came with the kit already down here, already previously on the car. Just went right into that little groove there. I'll go ahead and tie that back down. Then I'm reusing the clamps that go here for that. And then these are the new clamps that go here. So they could have probably gave us 2 more clamps in the kit as well. That would have worked out perfectly. This didn't even line up over here, so I'm not even going to worry about this as long as this isn't in the way. If it had been in the way, I could always zip tie this to this. I don't know. We'll see. I just don't want it to hit the fan at all. My mistake. There's actually another pair. So I got one there, one here, and all the others already have pairs on them. So now take this back off. Take this off exactly. I'm just going to take it all off. Then we're going to drill a hole here, put a nipple in there with some nylon tape, and then we're going to put this new hose right into there. You can put it here, here, wherever. I'm probably just going to put it right here because I think it would look cooler. It'll be out of the way of everything, so let's get it. So I end up going to the store, end up getting me this right here. This is what they use for like piping and stuff like that for home decor. I put some nylon thread on it, and then we also hauled it out. So that way we can create our own nipple and use it for the vacuum hose for the boost gauge. So here it is. I think everything here was maybe $10. So guys, this is the after setup. I might figure out something else to do with these clamps. I don't really know if I really like that, but here we go. I wanted to keep to make sure that it had the same pressure as everything else. Went ahead and put this up here. I need to go ahead and put this clamp up here as well. Oh, that don't even fit. I probably need to get a adjustable one. But anyways, here it is, the setup. It's probably not the best setup, but hey, it's gonna work. I hope so. It's actually very nice and sturdy, even without the little brace there. It's not going anywhere. These clamps hold the thing in place pretty well. And yeah.